Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to the program. Finally, we are here. If I know Bonam, can I Christmas name on Namibia, or them Bakandi Nachi, and the Bundina or our leaders. Makana society of Bonam were leaders. In our own climate, when they're in our political leaders, community leaders, town union, just name it. And at the political level, we have the presidency, the ministers, senators, and then governors, even the government chairman, and of course, in the ASATU, all time Aja Bankata. Asi onye lioji nyakpali anko na ada ari akwada. One of the opportunities I nwere ma na asu Igbo so that onye nweta niba but the fact that I when they about ifufanya when they na akpo iyafufa. One of our leaders, and we're very happy to have him here, Bo Onye Chibula Anambra State. Actually, Opoto was there, and Omesia J. Senate, really distinguished senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Omesia Anka Bulu, a current serving minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Anna was their GSM, that is. Former governor, former senator, and current minister. His Excellency, Distinguished Senator Chris Nwabweze Ngige.
Listeners, best of the season, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you.
Being a human being, usually, ono katama de lota nya Ka bido go no wele bisi bido nke amala amalo. Ine chiga anya na Anambra State. Keki esi we lota. On ilo lota mgbe bro governor eba.
Yeah.
You know the lota we afon. Kedi what's your take away?
Na Anambra State, bido kwa as governor. Bido kwa as President General. Alo Development Union. ADU.
Okay.
We're member of ASAT.
Okay.
We're by a political party. I'm the president Kaikuna, AK State and Oga Balanyo. No baluna is Kaibicon, Kaidicon, Koali, Kaneke. Na Ikanyeke, but 18 not the artificial. But a mind I need a buff. So Maka achieve come. Myself, one PDP, I'm from PDP. I saw 9 less from PDP. I was solely just a president in Nigeria. So now Nandibo Tonai. More about returning officer less equipment at Jos. Now under the PDP. I have Abu there. Now New Chichito Basanjo. Ngwe Dr. Less equipment na Kaina. India Cholza Bianenu virtual one Nigeria. Sinatonya Bobby na Winnie Simbao na Okelronki Pueto Simbao na Bakwa Abuna Abaro Okange Chidaka and Hemago case 20. So Messianka, we will ask the National Secretary of PDP. Nala and Seba Nachu Ewetego Meba, no mean not your conserve wine. And I will be do well by a ball twice well. I be Yasinage Gasvan Gadragek. When my ball. The rest is history.
Yes.
Manon of case when we are, we will go in the Anambra. Chotachaya boy Izugasilia, what the Chafan Chanine. It to present Boris a Choptakandin Izugasina, Nigeria, now Mandezu no Shima, if in Mandela Tanoye. Edo Chana Bendiozo. I'm fascinated FCC, the session and if I name. I see my session, I'm answering a webtanegon. Anaje ebe bulajo we ga following there. Onwere onye APC nominal former government, national government. Talk it like 3 years. I'm by putale na be kind. So it is normal. So when na here ba no afu efuche be zusu ego anyi. Afasi keke nka ewetense mamba. Ntinye contract evaluation, revaluation and debt recovery. Ayide yo gwa bia. What a certificate I banks never think they were genuine. Intercontinental Bank, Eborolona, they are genuine, Fadi. ndị contractors wetara nke unu wetara ife na ụfọdụ n'ime ji anyị ụgwọ na ụfọdụ mobilization ego gọọmenti wee jee golucha ma Rolls Royce ma ife ndị ọzọ anyị wesịfa mba unu ga-ewechata ya so etu a ka anyị si wee megide ego ede nsevụta ego ebororo m ego ife nọrọ ebe a anyị wee jee kwụba ụgwọ pensioners raise the pension to 142%. I weta na mbasa ya sị na na award to Governor Peter Obi nsiba na ọmụ nwanụ kwuru ga-enye nne ya izizi 142% rise onye nyere unu ya ndị n'ime unu na-enweta 10,000 pension na-enweta 24,000 from me na-akwụ unu more than one identify ya ego ife na unu na-akwụkwazi as when do anyị bidokwa kwụwa ma ndị nkụzi eji ụgwọ backlog ọ dịkwa na federal kịta o nwere ụgwọ Jonathan Faji anyị ka na-akwụ na backlog kịta na ọnọtakwa ndị union na emekwa wo na-ejife ụgwọ dị etu ọ bụrụkwa Buhari gọọmenti ji ya bụ ụgwọ ọ bụrụkwa anyị malite ya bụ gbese a bụkwa ndị otu Jonathan valitere anyị mana gọọmenti is a continue they say so abịaza na-ekwuru a ga-agba strike ya na a ga-eme nke ọ dakwa n'isi mmụnwa as Labour and Employment Minister mụ na febirikwa baba nsịba nekwa na anyị na ego abụrụkwa na anyị nwa gbesa fasiyos n'eziokwu na gọọmenti be continue asị oke anyị ga-akwụ n'onu anyị ji onu anyị kpatanwu na maka na price of oil dara ada
from ịba ego n'okwu so gabazie n'iru na ya akọsọ n'ibe etosi eji ụta strike ndị asụ ndị Labour
ife niile ma Labour ma asụ bụ 2009 ka ha nwere data agreement fa na-ekwu maka ya Jonathan Sine ga na-akwụfa 220 billion annually for 6 years ka wee revitalize our universities na ga na-akwụkwa fa end allowances fa asa wendu na amejife ụgwọ gịnị mesikwa na egbe bụ 220 ya mgbe eji wekwu first tranche bụ 213 assign agreement mgbe ha kwụfa ofu nke end allowance akwụkwọ fa ofu 30 billion anyị wee batafa wee na-ekwuzie anyị sịfa na anyị nwere n'ego na ndị anụmanụ nnaba na-ekwu na ele oyi $114 a barrel na-eme production of 2.1 million barrel a day mana anyị nwere anyị batara oil daluo $27 a barrel wee bido gbagotekwa 30 to 40 to 50 anyị nwa ga-anyụ mamịrị wee nyụpụta dọla
okay sir
so ebe the things wee bido ana m akọwala ya so ka i wee ghọta ma ọ bụrụkwa anyị nwa so mana anyị akwụgo na ụgwọ anyị kwụrụ last year enwe agreement mụnwa supervise because in labor issues now I'm not a mediator, I'm a conciliator. Education is their primary employer. I don't know the federal government again. Federal government is primary employer. Finance minister and budget and planning minister pay for shortfalls and other things. And if I wear religiously, only make one get them mercy poorly. If I breach and my balfamba and my band government and those ministers and because that's what the law say I should be doing. I should be conciliating. So, as far as I'm concerned, we have treated labor well under my care. Now, because I'm a comrade.
Yes, yeah. Minimum wage. From
minimum wage
to 30. What is the situation now? Because labor is saying, 30,000 naira.
No. You could be saying like this, I'm a comrade. Or because like in a busy pasha. Now they brought you referring at
what's your comment on the 30,000 naira?
Even 30,000 and 22,500 the state governors who and even 24,000 government, a federal government offer. Featured in chapter 5 of the recommendation. Okay? And when motion in the labor move supported by organized private sector, now 30,000 we've had. So generality of people know at that meeting see not 30,000. Okay. More na budget minister represent the federal government. I when if it not and the federal government comfortably with 24.
I'm an minority voice.
Manufacturing report. ọ dịchara ya report so etu a ka ife si wee kwuru mana president anụ ma chọrọ ikwu minimum wage but ọ bụrụ ikwu minimum wage bụ the issue ịkwụwa minimum wage ị ga-adjust nke ndị ọzọ nọ na mgbago ma ndị maximum wage ịkwụ ịghọtago ndị maximum the maximum lee wee na-agbarata wee mitinye minimum so you must do some balancing up there so onye nwa ka president ikwu na ya tinyere high powered committee ka ha advice anya ka a ga-esi wee kwụ ya in such a way that ya mere je borrow ego more borrowing nọ ka ndị PDP na-criticize anyị maka borrowing even though na-akọfa bido borrowing no $63 billion ka fa borrow if I borrow go since 3.5 years anyị nọ bụ $10 billion only ba na-eti mkpu 10 and anyị ji elopụta ife a na-afụ ya anya sukuk bomb ị na-anya ifo Enugu Onitsha road ka ọ na-agbarata for 9 mile ọ sukuk eji m uyo nwanne nya aja launcha presidential anyị from ụmụahịa wee gbagote to Enugu ifu sukuk road ndị CCEC na-alụ Chinese companies na-alụ.
Ịbatago na another question which is the presence of the federal government because ndị South East and also particularly ndị Bai na-ekwu n'afọkwanụ iru federal government.
So nkapịa nke ni ọnụ ndị Labour nwee nụ ndidi onwere mgbe gọọmenti a meji unu minimum wage. Ndị National Assembly nata holidays a transmit elfa ife a na-ekwu. We are working on it. Ọ na look at report of a raw form enyere in raw form. So the bill, I give up to a bill. The Attorney General of the Federation work on the bill and bring out. And he's already working on it. If I go, I transmit, yeah. If the National Assembly, one objection, one support, even a public hearing. I was a legislator. So, also like that, so federal government presence.
Yes.
That's how it is. All my federal government na-alụ na South East in 3.5 years all over and all the kife I don't wear touch. Can start here from the heaviest of them all. Second Niger Bridge. Onwere government akejiri eme politics from Obasanjo wee na-agbagote. Obasanjo mechapụ bịa campaign here. Bolo Senator Andy Uba na Peter Obi jee na that bridge akpọta Oduagha azọ na Delta and James Ibori eje dey see flag off the construction na 2007 nothing because contractor akpọta bụ the Italian man edozogo mafia now mana nwere ifalụ Jonathan Abias now so Onitsha. The first Niger Bridge was built by Anazikiwe. The second Niger Bridge was built by Anazikiwe. Nothing. Any vote Ojewal. Any Obasanjo vote Mankie. Oticha Ike na long water after that. Shaun Waka. So kedu ife na akwefa. Then nwoke onye daura a na-akpọ Muhammadu Buhari. Ndị Igbo si na ọkpọ fasị ọsịfa wel n'ịkpọ mmadụ asị bụ ife ndị mmadụ ji ada meji afa mmadụ o wesị na ya alụ briji a oge anyị batara ife emerita this bridge PPP private arrangement private public in which case ịgbafe the bridge na alụcha anya ịkwụọ 1,000 wee baa Asaba isi Asaba na cheta back to Onitsha 1,000 ọmụnwa senator fight the thing na South East Caucus. Senator Pius Anyim na Okonjo-Iweala bịa address anyị wee na-ekwu PPP wee na-ekwu na na-achọ ndị ga-eweta ego ndị ọcha this and that mkpọfa sịkwa na ndị chief of warning Fabius kwa na meeting na-abịa ekwu maka ife again na o nwere ebe a na-eme PPP na Nigeria including the 2 bridges alụ Obasanjo lụrụ ndị Itigidi Folieli Nwoke lụọ David Mark na-alụ ndị Benue Owote Bridge. Local Owote. If I appropriate that year embassy for 63 billion for it. Only born on a Ministry of Works blue aqua in Regosim. Antic coffee and dagage. We're bound from boy immediately. When I use assassinate chambers and everything. just the president I get line second Niger bridge sim no depend na ndị nke anyị fa je chọta ego njekwu Jonathan gwesa na anya meme PPP aka Jonathan my personal friend even though we disagree politically nsake ki aga na-esi alụ ndị ọzọ bridge even road a na-alụ na in some places na dey toll here ka is toll nke anyị mbịa na council fake Baba Raji Fashola president Lefa mgbe attack anya gwa president na ndị Igbo ama akwụkwọ bridge na na ndị nke ọzọ free as God will have it. Baba Raji Fashola support one. See president not to na-achọ investors for this bridge na fe kwara abịa fa wetakata ego si na fa na-eweta ego fa ma abịa na fa enwere faith in the system. Twice we tear that bridge into presidential initiative. 500 on here now.
So what's the position of
the position is that the early works. Early works bro. Survey, preliminaries, hydrography, structures that will be on ground on the other side. Okay. On both sides. Then the main bridge with the flyovers that will go on them, 220 billion. So they awarded to Julabeja too. And Julabeja have been mobilized 4 weeks ago with 33 billion, which represents 15% mobilization of federal government. So this bridge is now one of the cardinal flagship infrastructure of the administration. Analo, Lagos, Shagamu, Ibadan, then to Lori, then to Abuja. Number one, because it's a big arterial road managing the economy of Nigeria from Lagos. Second, Niger Bridge. Second. Third, Abuja, Kaduna, Kano, Julabeja. East-West Road. Nkomo Jonathan no one near. Nekwere alu. Look at the rest now. Ego dia ana now. Then Mambila Hydro for power. 3,500 megawatts. I generate from there. Apart from irrigation and agriculture. So these are the 5 flagship. Tibo ketan kefa. E what we find about Sukuk bond. Kenya 100 billion. Even though I'm on 5 states. I struggle and in 16.6 billion. Ne buwa use see. Nyake Iwenalu 9 Mile Oji River. Then Omonia section of Enugu Onitsha.
Anafa ale akita.
Ije ba nke 9 Mile to Oji River eme again kun tesron wa. Nke Omonia ebe a. Ndị RCC na nacheta back for work. Paje a Christmas break. By 5th and 7th of January, they mobilized back. And Imana no can see me from I'm more quality. Try fashion I my block interest in bidding now in Makasi. Makasi Ifenina. Nandi RCC give bid well. They are not very expensive, but they give you quality. Fana Julabeja is quality in Nigeria, but Julabeja is expensive. Good pepper soup, na money maker. So, Olu, Navaga. Ije na Enugu, Okigwe Umuahia, Abagomia, Nkaina Nata. Very interesting. If you construction work yard in the Chinese do there. Ibane with Okigwe now, through around this zone. Or now get there. In the NDDC, I will go from Okigwe Barata back. Through around this zone. So, Ije Owere into Parakot border. If you Arab contractors. Farul Shashet, etwa. Now, Make ego jol. Ije na December Owere. Going to Umuahia. But the cardinal thing did there, this government is earning 40% of what the previous administration was earning. That is why we were now forced to diversify the economy into agriculture. And we have created farmers. I'm not from the farmers because the natural blue collar job, money. Whatever going on, workshop training for the. So if you go to Abakaliki now, if you have rice in them, you go to Kano, rice, Kebi, rice farmers in the north are rich. They buy vehicles.
Rice farmers.
No, because charities. But I think it's invest. Invest in shop. They should go there. I said investing. Government should encourage them. I'm Governor Anambra State. Go and encourage people to move there. Next time, we anchor borrowers program and a cheap fund, single digit fund, for you to buy implement, for you to get fertilizer, for you to pay for workers on your side and everything. Back to the city.
Your Excellency, Anambra rice kita rice farmers name of mana what time to get you see.
Yes.
Then with some other programs, must we go through government only?
No,
those agencies of federal government,
how
visible are they?
Form cooperatives, form cooperatives, and you approach them.
The cooperatives are there.
No, the Anambra
maybe somebody's not doing well somewhere.
We are now. I'm very interested. I've got my own agency, NDE. If I organize a workshop now for 1,500 for me alone. They have also organized for Stella Odua. They have organized for some other people. So they are touching the whole senatorial districts in Anambra State. And after that, he was the certificate. Yeah, you go to CBN, they'll give you loan. Go to Bank of Industry, they'll give you loan. They will start from giving you maybe 1 million to 10 million. If you're a graduate, you get up to 10 million. So let nobody be waiting. Senior graduate, all on the FIRS, all on the custom, all on the an office in CV, you everywhere. I do. I'm not sure and then I'm their own. NPower program. 500,000 people have been employed. It's an ad hoc stopgap employment system. People now computer on internet. Approach the internet, get this thing and register. You don't need to know me. You don't need to know anybody before you're accepted. Once you satisfy the conditionalities in terms of age, in terms of course, in terms of they'll give you.
Your Excellency, Honorable Minister, there were insinuations that on the surface, yes, but down line, nepotism and discrimination, on employment in this country.
I don't know what you mean by discrimination and nepotism.
Okay, the quantity.
I know. Yes. You can wipe corruption in one day. You cannot. Oh my! I start to go from somewhere. 80% of people in NPower program, or 90%, I can tell you, do not know anybody. Yes. I tell you, I swear. 90%. They don't know anybody. Once you do right. But once you approach me or my office, whether you're Anambra or anywhere you are, and I give the name, they cross-check it, and the conditionalities you met them, they'll take you. I make sure. I'm the deputy chairman of the steering committee. So
KKC access your office because he buy an agent.
Office. Onye tinye NPower. Akpọrọ ya. Anoma na enwere olusi. Olusi dị ife abụ na nwe age. Okay. That's one. Olusi ọzọ dị there bụ na ndị nwe pass degree onwe ka esi enyofa. Olusi ọzọ dị there bụ na some people na-abịa there na forge. If I don't know if I forge ya certificate, so to say, nobody will take you because this is all computerized. Any of these things, just come to my office. Go ask them for the office on NPower. Drop your credentials and the form if you need, the one NHI bag. with your complaint, and we'll look into it.
Okay. Ndị anyị na-ege ntị, onu na-anụ bụ onu His Excellency Senator Chris Ngige, former governor of Anambra State. And the program bụ Issues. The program continues. I'm Don Onyenji. Honorable Minister, let's get to this employment issue.
Yes.
Apart beyond that, appointments by this federal government, where you're serving, and allegation, and sometimes appears true that appointments are the balanced. If you want to bring in federal character principles, yes. Ndị mgbagugwu are more than ndị nke ọzọ. Kedu maka ndị yes.
Ndị afọ even ana-afụ even akpọ visible appointments. Ịma na ịbịa n'efu appointments. O nwere ndị dị constitutional. Nwee ndị dịkwa so to say extra constitutional. There are some that a governor or a head of president is permitted by the constitution to select by himself. And in general, section 171 of the constitution, you see them. Personal aides here, when you're not chief of staff, personal aid. All the special assistants, if you're there, personal aid. Advisors are listed. And he so appoints them. Ministers, one per state, he so appoints them. Ndị be anyị na-ekwukere na security.
Yes,
Kafa from the Befa. And now it has been brought to the attention of the president. And he said he has noted them. Are you with me? And onye megola appointments. Even where we may reshuffle indirectly. But the issue of security abroad even ignore. I am going to this country. President ja appoint the chief of army staff. On the chief of army staff ya abulie. Onye na agbago ironsi. You don't know Tamanke. I am going to this country. Onye na agbago jara gowan. Appoint chairman the div commanders my friend ọzọ. On the na army abụ ndị mere coup. And so ọkwa ndị Igbo na-ekwu na nkwụcha abụrụ ụjọ. But more importantly, we brought it to the attention of Mr. President. And luckily for some of us who did that, when the Southeast governors also came, they brought it to his attention and he told us to have patience with him. And these are issues that we addressed. But I have gone through my records. When Obasanjo was head of state and president, now that is president, he didn't give the Southeast any service chief. Go and check.
8 years.
8 years. He didn't give Southeast any service chief.
So many portfolio.
Well, portfolio
critical ones.
I'm not even mean by critical. If you are losing in 16 years, I'm on the critical positions. Yes?
Yes.
Unu ji president. Unu ji SGF. Unu ji finance minister and manager of economy.
Yes.
Unu ji aviation. Unu ji education. Kedu ife ji emepụta na Igbo?
Wow.
Name one thing. Dilapidation of infrastructure.
Yes.
Abandonment. Mana anyị nwa unu aka ọnụ si na enye ngi labor and employment. No one even na. Yes, so what if they adịm enye contract? Maka ndị Igbo chọrọ ebe contract ga-esi pụta ma ebe a ga-esi wee clear container. As finance minister, I brought many of them. But I'm a critical member of cabinet and I get things for Igbos from the cabinet. Because there's only one cabinet. one Federal Executive Council. If you present things in the Igbo, I will raise it and call Mr. President's attention to it. And he would direct Senior Yinkai. That's what has been happening. I told you the story of Second Niger Bridge. I won't tell you also the story of Zik's place, which is a national monument now. Abandoned again since 1997. 21 years. The man from Daura has finished it. And then while he was alive. Go to some of us. What will be of furniture? We are waiting for the commission. I commission saying I hand over to Anambra State government and the local government maybe. If I find there a way to structure it so that people can be going there as national monument, read in the presidential library, pay or whatever for the maintenance of the place. But now check here. Bouygues, the French company. Bro, I just can a contract. I don't a low contract to That's it. So, it will go a compendium of all offices in Nigeria, including director generals of agencies and things. And the African work was on HEO. Yes. So, somebody appointed in this idea to positions in which he's supposed to, or the law and the dispensation to do so much. And even which the law also permits him to send to Senate, and Senate confirms it. How do you hold him? And service chiefs go to Senate. So this is as per the appointment.
Yes.
But more importantly, I want to continue saying it. Portfolio now, foreign minister, the Igbo land, and foreign minister in every clime is number one minister. If you go to America, they call it Secretary of State. On this president Ghana.
And this we were so of Sarah Bohole.
I want to be So this is the situation.
Okay, Your Excellency, let's talk about restructuring. And Igbo can say 5 states. Just 6 eke by population of states in the southeast and the president has clearly stated that nearby the idea of restructuring, much as in the party APC and most other Nigerians and the Bina say now restructuring
What did Obasanjo say about restructuring? The father of PDP, Obasanjo. Tell me, son.
I'm from the chief press secretary. So,
no.
Present government kind of.
Let me tell you. Yes, those people who are mounting and shouting restructuring, they don't even know the meaning. Without due apologies, a lot of them. I was a party officer. I was a governor, executive. I operated a constitution as governor.
Yes.
I was a senator, lawmaker. We amended the 1999 constitution. I am now a minister, part of the executive again. So we are now discharging the federal functions, which are exclusive to federal government by that same constitution. What they call exclusive federalist. When I was in the state, I ran the concurrent list. Let me tell you, all these people who research on them, they know that there is nothing you can do in terms of the geopolitical structure of Nigeria, in terms of the economic structure of Nigeria, and even to a large extent, to a very large extent, the socio-religious aspect of it, that you don't go to the constitution. Even the judiciary, security, they are constitutional alterations. If you want state police today, you must go and alter the part of the constitution that talks about the office of Inspector General of Police and the Nigerian Police Force. You must alter it.
Well, who is holding it?
The people who are holding it are the legislators. It's something they can be doing piecemeal. We have done it in our 7th Assembly. We did some restructuring.
The national
So
conference,
this people-
yes, mix all of them. Let's see.
The national conference is a bazaar, is a workshop, is a talk shop. They know. It has no teeth. Jonathan, if he wanted it to have teeth, would have done executive bill on them and bring. He just sent the report for us for our information. They wasted money, Nigerian people's money. It's a talk shop. Because you can't talk about creation of more states, or creation of more local governments, or even collapsing of states, coalescing of states. Like some people are talking,
Yes.
that they want to go back to region. It's coalescing.
Yes.
So if you come to Southeast, you coalesce the 5 states here into Southeast region. But people say count us out. Enugu people say count us out. Kezindaga count in and the thing. Nobody. Now, some people say they want more states. I say, okay, ndi bunu no 6 and no 5. Go and give us one more state that we shall create for you. Because it's a constitutional alteration. You must do it. You must conduct a referendum to create more states. And after even creating it, you go and change the schedule. It's a constitutional alteration. So the actual people that should spearhead creation of more states are legislators. And we did in the 7th Assembly, where I was. We were there.
Give me mercy.
We couldn't produce one more state. Our friends in the Senate told us, go and produce one more state and come back to us. Ask Ekweremadu, he's still alive. The people of Nsukka say that it's Adada or nothing. If we don't create say that Adada is the one, now the family should anywhere. They were led by their Senator Ayogeze. The people of Aba, led by Senator Abaribe and others, said it's Aba State, that it is Aba province, that the oldest province. I am a Haineku. No, if you judge Amachuku na no since. No, I am any other thing now. Now, from a blue placard, say that if I never saw. Spiers Animal, his other people came with equity state. Part of Hazara, yes, part of Isuoch, part of Bukal, Bubanana, Brajana, and then we south. Bukal some portion. Bruno Munze, Bukal some portion. Fascinonia, equity state. Then, we have one Abugidanko.
Yes, yes.
Bukan Kavapota, Silanka, or Sunday, or what you call the Miri State, Ekel. From Onitsha na Bago Baru na Bago na Bada Bag we ndoni we there kusi me roundabout Baratakwa by n'ime side Uguta takwa si na nka da ekucha na si na ma onye m na-ekwere ni Latino and more in particular that nsi demili na fara go mi demili mpozi demili je state nke nene na ife anwa. At the end of the day, we didn't get a state. We didn't get a unanimity. And the 7th Assembly died. We all left. Yes. So, restructuring. The area restructuring. Because it's a broad area. If you go to economic, you go to derivation. And talk what derivation should be. Is it 40%? Is it 25% you want to propose? So saying, oh, I will restructure Nigeria. I am restructuring the women. Babas, why you? Let me tell you, yes, the restructuring we need immediate as Igbos. Yes. Residency status.
Residency.
Yes. So that I don't know Yenji. Ijebi na Kaduna Mwaka indigenship of Kaduna. They go to school as per Kaduna indigenes. I abolish your state of origin. It will assist us. Because where be Jema from Igbo. Where be Jema from Igbo. So, Ije Rapo ife na anụ enyi a ga-eje bute na-ahụ abụsụ ụtọ ọkpa na noise na-emechisi ndị mmadụ ntị. I'm not part of it. So these people who are apostles of restructuring, they don't know what they're talking, with all due reference to them.
Okay, sir.
I'm saying it authoritatively.
Odoma, we issue about Southeast Development Commission. Are you aware?
Yes, I'm aware.
Okay, what can you tell me?
It's good. It's a good development. There are so many commissions now. Okay. So, the commission kind of line. Percentage of Kenya in there. Let us utilize it well. Let me also tell you, on an aggregate basis, the Nigerian Constitution needs good operators, honest men to operate the Constitution. The operators of the Constitution are not fit and proper persons. That's the problem.
Who are those people?
Me and others in our political
leadership.
Yes.
Okay.
Me and others, but I'm trying my own best in my own small way, knowing that I'm accountable to my God. Everything doesn't end here. Onye mecha ojeje na n'igwe kwuru ọnụ gị there.
Onwe okwu ọzọ bata dogoro kamgbe Igbo presidency.
Yes.
Ọ dị ka asị na onwe mgbe anyị bata n'ime mgbe eji Jos oge izi kpata Jos mgbe unu je nụọ nke ekwu eme na Obasanjo.
That's right.
Afụ ka o si be Obasanjo. Anọkọta atụwa ya ekwu eme. Mana onwe ka esi kwadata wee jee ya.
Yes.
Onwe erizi evi ọvịọ. How close are we? Join it with the fact that now
we are very close to that presidency of Igbo extraction.
Yes.
Now.
How?
Or never.
Yes.
The operative word is now or never.
Yes.
We have a President Muhammadu Buhari who is constitutionally barred from doing any further contest of presidency after the next 4 years. If you give him 4 years now and he goes and do it, he won't come out again. Is statute bad by the Constitution. Now, you have other people, there are fresh people in SDP, in that, in YYPP, and then Zaza ZP, and they are telling you they want to come and do president. If you give it to them 8 years. PDP brought our very good friend, my personal friend, Atiku Abubakar. He said he was going to do 4 years, and he won't do 4 years. Nobody will do 4 years for you. Obasanjo said he would do 4 years when he was coming the first time. They went to the farm, Babangida and others to beg him. He said, how many presidents will you make out of me? Ibrahim, promise me that it's only 4 years. After 4 years, you will leave me alone. He promised, Oje 4 years. Chozi Igbo mmadụ mgbe ọ na-aba nke second ebe ya na Atiku bido sebe okwu o mechakwa sị even 8 years asị ya na achọ 12 years or if watches ebe aka anyị na wee sebe okwu anyị wee tụọ gị ama okwu mụ na ya na in particular because I went to Abakaliki ndị ọhaneze na ndị ọzọ si na fa support nke onye mee 12 years si ndị ọhaneze na ngụ ndị ala they were led by Joe Iruku. I sat there and talked to Nigerians and I said Obasanjo should go home after 8 years. He should. That even if he's superhuman being, by after doing 8 years, 2007, he will be on diminishing return. So, today, Muhammadu Buhari says, give me another 4 years. Let me go and put the house I'm building in order so you can see the house.
Is it because Buhari? Sorry, sir. Because your party men,
let me finish. Yes, you mentioned those people.
Yes, Bakata okay. Tinubu we capacity meeting na West. The vice president look on any impression. Ndi be fan the West. Did
Tinubu tell you anything after the meeting? Did he say anything?
Body language no much. When DJ report no much.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Agree first with me that it makes sense for us to give Buhari another 4 years. So that Ome pass and pass out. Agree with me on that. This man pass and pass out. Even in a pasita, pass out. Then the power will rotate back to the south. When the power gets to the south, which zones have held the presidency? Southwest, you have tested it. 8 years of Obasanjo, plus 3.5 years of military heads of state here. Then plus another 8 years of Oshibajo with Buhari. South, 2 years of vice president of Jonathan. 2 years of president of Jonathan and 4 years of Jonathan of president. We my arithmetic. Then South is 0 in this new dispensation. Now, does it make sense? No, you see that any of these other 2 zones put an name as a president. But it is his constitutional right. As a Nigerian, he can say so. If you don't know, I'm not central, he can say so. But when the party rotates you to the south, on moral grounds, it will be wicked and abnormal for anybody to say, I'm from any of the 2 southern zones that I'm vying for this position. But the Igbos have to play the politics. You don't stay in your house, in your bedroom. Power is not served a la carte. You must fight for it. And the fight starts now. That's why I say now or never. The now or never is that you must return President Muhammadu Buhari to go and serve out. Don't look at any other of these candidates. Even if they put sugar in their mouth and be talking, tell them to give you the sugar, you chop the sugar, leave them.
Okay,
so
yes, we are going.
Igbo should now do the political engineering and get Buhari in. No matter how we do it. Some of us are not in that, and I am modifying them. I am fools. We are prophets.
Achọrọ m ịjụ nke a maka na ọ dịkwa onwe ka isi egwu politiks nke ga.
Yes.
Ọ dị ka ị na-eje ebe a naghị eje.
Correct.
A na-akpọ mana mechakwa ebe anyị kwakwa.
No, it is me and my God. I'm a deliverer. I deliver people, especially those that are harangued, those that are maltreated, those that are lying prostrate on the ground and crying to God to come and save them. Okay, that is my nature. That is what God has given me. And it comes with suffering.
Yes.
It comes with a lot of sacrifice from me, and I do it. Today, I know a lot of Anambra people who are phoning me. What are you still doing in that Boko Haram party? What are you doing in that? What are you? That is what God has told me to be there. So I don't know what else to do. And I'm there. And I will be there till we deliver the Igbos. Send them to the promised land. And let me also tell you, the day the Igbos get to the promised land and hold the office of President of Nigeria, Nigeria will get with deliverance.
Thank you.
But Obro, the PDP gave me. Obro, Vice President, engineer Mr. P2B, His Excellency P2B. Let me finish.
Sorry, sir.
Vice President is a spare tire. For 6 years, I'm not a spare tire.
But it appears all of you are the same thing.
How?
Why when APC Tata, a lot of APC people was in the PDP, all of these guys, not people like me. We have 30 seconds.
I'm steadfast. I'm asking Anambra people to whatever it costs them to vote for APC candidates. I'm asking them also to vote for President Muhammadu Buhari to go and finish his tenure. That's all. It's a simple message.
We are going, sir.
It's a simple message. Whether you like his face, you don't like his face. And even who no hate you, no hate your own. Presidency in 2003, 2007, 2011. So what does it do?
Thank you very much.
Yes. For Christmas, I'm wishing them Happy New Year. Now you can dash. Na ndị NSC because I make obodo ju obelo ụmụaka na school.
Adoma dalo onwa because we've been listening to a former governor of Anambra State, former senator, current minister of labor and employment, His Excellency Chief Dr. Chris Mabwezengige onwa.
You know, senator,
sir?
Distinguished
Senator Chris Ngige. Awadal for coming.
Thank you, thank you.
Anambra Nigerians, this is yours truly, Don Onyenji. Thank you for being part of this program. I want to apologize to our phone callers. You couldn't get through a lot of things to be talked about. We'll try and get you in someday, close. Thank you for being part of this.
Thank you.